We are in Shinagawa City. Anyway, we took a bus just to come to a thrift shop. But where the thrift shop is, look how nice it is. Whoa. And it's like a 3rd Street promenade type of deal. And this is where it's at. We're going this way. Really cool. It's like a street closed off to cars, closed off to, hey, pizza. Really cool. OMG. Oh, and look at that. Pets always come first. Look at the cuteness. There's like different theme bars where they have like porcupine and like stuff like that, but we didn't, you know, we didn't want to do that. Liquor off. Hey, you wanted a place where it have shops, right? Yeah. Is it like a 3rd Street promenade? I think so. I think I'm walking the opposite side today. Well, I'm walking the opposite side. Oh look, here's the same company. Oh, do you see what I see? This is the same company, but they have books instead of hard. Oh, hard is over there. Over there.
7:30. It's 6:25.
Yeah?
Do you want to take my Wi-Fi?
No, 7:30 over there.
Card off. All right.
And if
7:30.
okay, and if not, I'll walk around and try to get some
it's
Wi-Fi.
not- Okay. Yeah.
Oh, I have T-Mobile. My phone doesn't work. She has the little Wi-Fi box. Oh, these are cheap. Those are cheap. Cause everything in Tokyo, like in downtown, is expensive. Like an umbrella like that, it runs you 770 yen. I mean, we're talking about compared to different items. Big size, 120 centimeters. That's cool. Recycle. That's awesome. Thrift shop. Bunch of jackets outside. Curious to see how many yen. Oh, not terrible, but it's still. Ooh, Supreme sweater down there. Well, actually, that jacket right there looks nice. But they know what they have, though. Steve Aoki. Oh, I like that jacket right there. $150 for a suit. Cool. Really nice. Super cool, super cool. Ah, junk. My favorite store. Junk. And we've seen these already, so I'm gonna turn you guys off right here. Actually, It's yeah, that's so cool. Let's compare prices. 1100. I think they wanted like 160 over there. I made a special list with prices. Yen, $2. 11,000. It's like $75, give or take, compared to you know, it's more expensive over there. So whatever has red rubber band, it's 230 yen. That's like, I don't know, 250 or so. Then I found Wii Sports Resort, Super Mario Brothers, and Mario Kart. Obviously for the Japanese Wii, for 110 each. So if you get away from the city, look at this pack of a Wii for 1,100. That's like, I don't know, $7 or something. And this pack, I'm trying to see how much this is. No price. No price. But I've sold one of these before. I think it was like $30. Let me double check. Pokemon cards. Pokemon cards. Pokemon. And these Pokemon cards are one for 33 yen. It's like a quarter each. You got shiny ones too. And I book off, and there's hundreds of thousands of bucks. But I did find a beautiful section, and it's a retro game. So many. Found a good one though. Just one. I didn't find a Game Boy game, so. Oh. Yeah. It's cool to see though. I forgot to say that at this hard offer here, I went to the counter too because I was like, if they're not priced, there's a sign that says they're 110 yen, which is like $7 or less. And they're like, yeah, it's it. If they don't have a price, it's 110 yen. I was like, what? No, sorry. Not $7, 70 cents. 110 yen is like 75 cents or something like that, 70 cents. Each Wii game. So I'm at Don Quixote, and I've been seeing these in 7-Elevens. I've been seeing them in stores like this one I am right now. And those are power banks. You can rent a power bank. Download the app. Look at that. You pay with the app. Or charge your phone. How much it is, I have no idea. Hours of operation, that's cool. There you go. There's my info. 1 hour, 24 hours, or 3 days per day. That's cool. That's all you could pay with. Alright, this machine looks a little different. But you click on English. So the new ones are like on the here on the side.
Guidance will be displayed in English.
So you put your card in. right? And then instead of selecting all of these, the new ones have the one select different amount. You click different amount, and you can put increments of 10. Like right now, I only need 5.99 because I entered 10 yen earlier. So you don't have to put. The first option is always 10, you know, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, or whatever. But you put other, and then you could put increments of 10. Tap here. That's how much you spent, and that's what you have left over. The reception over here for T-Mobile sucks. No good. So I recommend getting one of these. But call your hotel, because our hotel had a cheaper rate than these guys right here. But it's pretty cool that you could rent it. And then you see 200 yen per day. Yeah, I think it was cheaper at the hotel. So you could just get it from your hotel, and when you leave, just turn it in. Make sure you take screenshots of the Google Maps. This is cool. An autonomous wheelchair. You put your bag in the back, sit in the front. You have to manually drive it, but once you get to your terminal, it will just drive itself back. Isn't that awesome? This was the hall. Very nice. Very nice little hall from Japan.